We have 5 tools that we have for that shop owner to implement things that they want to do. Maybe it's answering the phone differently. Maybe it's hiring differently. Maybe it's a new pay plan. Maybe it's whatever it is. Then we have 5 tools that they plug into, and I train those tools, and that's what implements it. It's not the owner doing the implementation. It's the tools that do the implementation.
I don't understand the tools thing. Explain that to me.
Okay, to give you an example, there's a tool we call this STS, the Staff Training Session. So that tool is, if they are not doing that on a weekly basis, they're going to falter on the processes that run the business. So if they're introducing something new into the business and they're not training it consistently, the staff members will not do it. They will resist. And when they start resisting, the shop owner steps back and says, okay, I give up. That's what I've been seeing going on in this industry for years. Paying all this money to get this education, but when they get home and they want to implement something, that's where the mentor comes in. How do I get this done?
So give me these 5 areas. One of them was you called STS?
Yeah, Staff Training Session.
Okay. What's the other one?
Yes, sir. That's SBS, the Staff Behavior Session.
Okay.
And there's another one called Staff PS, which is the Staff Potential Session.
But this is all about staff, right? Is that what you're telling me? It's all about staff?
Yes.
But what if I came back and I said, the entire business has to go into a different strategy? As a mentor, are you going to help me with the bigger, more global picture?
Yes. Then there's the other one that's called the WOIT.
Okay.
That's working on it Tuesday. So what I've always captured in this industry is that I want shop owners to work on the business and themselves all day Tuesday. Step out of the fray of the business, step out of your day-to-day talking to customer, day-to-day all the things that are going on, answering the phone, ordering parts. You know what the shop owner gets involved in. You got to get out of the vortex to improve. That one day a week is just massive. So that's the key. Now, when we talk about redoing the business, now they have time to think through it. How am I going to get it done? And that's when we have our mentoring sessions on Tuesdays. So we come back in and we talk about these things and then say, okay, how are you going to get it done? Let's pull out those tools out of the toolkit, right? And let's use these tools.